Before embarking on the creative and exciting process of producing an Antics visualization, it's worth having a look at the folder structure of an Antics project, and here's one I made earlier. The folder is the top level of the Jessica Spells Trouble, or indeed any Antics project, and contains all the elements necessary to sustain it. Looking inside, you can see there are a number of files and subfolders. This is a CAN file and represents a project. The project contains a set, i.e. a collection of rooms, props, characters, lights, cameras and takes within the overall project. A project, however, is not restricted to containing a single set, so there could be multiple sets or even multiple projects within the project folder. You'll also notice that there's a folder relevant to the set file, which contains all assets specific to that set. An Antics project can also contain shared assets, and these can be used by multiple sets within the project. These include the project bin, textures and sounds. Be aware that any edits or changes made to shared assets, for example altering the colour of a wall texture from grey to bright orange using the texture properties without localizing, can then iterate throughout the project, and therefore all instances of this texture will also become orange. To create a new Antics project, simply double-click on the Antics shortcut. This then opens with an automatically created default room in the set view. On selecting Save for the first time from the File menu, Antics will prompt you to create a new project folder. This will normally have a default location of the Antics projects directory found on the C drive, but here I'll simply use the desktop. Antics now prompts you to name the project, and it can now be saved. This also populates the project folder with all necessary subfolders. As you begin to add content to your projects or sets, these items will be stored within the folder structure, producing a convenient and portable package.